So I want to show you this morning here. There were two major divergences coming in. When the NASDAQ futures were pushing up to new highs here, you can see the high 25,935. Here's the 60-minute, here's the 30-minute. You can see how the now this is a sell divergence in a positive trend. The 15, the 30, and 60-minute time frames on my indicator 4 were bullish. And then if you look here, you can see the push up to new highs here. The MACDs couldn't confirm on the 60 and the 30, and most of all, also, if you look at the QQQs, you can see the non-confirmations here as well. So we're able to get that short here. You can see the NASDAQ getting absolutely kabooshed here on that print. 25,935. You can see it dropping 100 points. Great short pattern on the NASDAQ.